अब हम बढ़ते हैं सेक्शन बी पे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, a straightforward linear equations in two variables 30x plus 44y is equal to 10, 40x plus 55y is equal to 13. Let's call this equation A and equation B. I will multiply 5 with equation A, so I will get 150x plus 220y is equal to 50. I will call this equation 1, and I will multiply 4 with B, which will give me 160x plus 220y is equal to 552. This is equation 2. And the reason I did this is I wanted to make the coefficients of y the same on both the sides. Now, once I have done this, I will find out 2 minus 1, that will give me 10x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1 by 5. Plugging this into one of the equations, let me simply plug it in the equation B. I will have 40 by 5 plus 55y is equal to 13. That will give me 55y is equal to 13 minus 8, because 40 by 5 is 8 and taking it on the other side is minus 8 is 5. So y is equal to 1 by 11. Using this, we have the answer as this. And in the exam, use this to plug it into the other equation which is not used to verify if the answer is correct. तो 1 by 5 और 1 by 11 को हम लेके equation number A में डालेंगे. 1 by 5 into 30 is 6 plus 44 by 11 is 4, which is equal to 10, and hence our answer is correct. Let's do both part A and B for the 22nd question. Part A states that there is a 1.5 meter boy who is walking away from the base of a lamp post. So lamp post हमारा यहीं पे है. Let me call this as my lamp post, which is 12 meters high, and the boy is walking at the speed of 2.5 meters per second. Find the length of his shadow after 3 seconds. So after 3 seconds, if the boy is walking at 2.5 meters per second, the boy would have come somewhere here, which is 2.5 into 3, which is going to be 7.5. So that length is going to be 7.5 and this is going to be 1.5. Shadow बनने के लिए अगर मैं एक straight line from the top passing through the top head of the boy to the ground करता हूँ, तो my length of the shadow is going to be this much, which is going to be OB. इसको ढूंढने के लिए हम लोग similar triangles का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Let me call this OP and MN. Clearly, we can state that triangle PBO is similar to triangle MBN because angle B is common in both and PO is perpendicular to OB and MN is also perpendicular to OB. So by using AA similarity, the two triangles are similar. We will have OB by BN is equal to OP by MN. हमको NB ढूंढना है, OB नहीं, और हमको दिया हुआ है ON. So I can write this as OB minus BN by BN is equal to OP minus MN by MN, and OB minus BN is 7.5. So that will give me 7.5 by BN is equal to OP minus MN is 12 minus 1.5 by 1.5, which is equal to 10.5 by 1.5. और ये अगर हम देखेंगे तो ये हमारा 7 है and BN is equal to 7.5 by 7, which is roughly 1.07 meters. So BN is equal to 1.07 meters, which is going to be the length of the shadow. Let's look at part B. Now, part B is a very straightforward question जिसमें हमें बिल्कुल भी दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर हमारा डायग्राम सही निकला तो हम लोग को दिया हुआ है एक पैरेललोग्राम ABCD. थैंक गॉड मैं बोर्ड एग्जाम नहीं लिख रहा हूँ. अगर ऐसा डायग्राम बोर्ड एग्जाम में बनाऊंगा तो करेक्टर भी बोलेगा भाई इसको तो मार्क्स नहीं देते. AD को एक्सटेंड किया गया है such that to a point E such that BE intersects CD at F, and we have to show triangle CFB is similar to triangle ABE. First of all, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because of vertically opposite angles. From this, we know that angle 2 is equal to angle 3 because of corresponding angles, or angle 1 is equal to angle 3 because of alternate interior angles. Given that ABCD is a parallelogram, CD is parallel to AB and BF is the transversal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Let's look where we will get one more angle. Angle A is equal to angle C because that's a property of a parallelogram. So angle A is equal to angle C. We have proved two angles of triangle equal, hence by AA similarity, we can say triangle AEB is similar to triangle CBF, which is what we have to prove. We have to prove ABE is similar to CFB. So I can rearrange this and write ABE is similar to CFB since the vertices need to be in the same order. Let's look at the 23rd question. The point A is given as -1, 7. Point B is given as 4, -3. They're asking point C, which lies on the extended line such that AC is equal to 2 times BC, which will give me AC by BC is equal to 2. That will give me AC minus BC by BC is 2 minus 1 by 1, which is 1:1. And AC minus BC is AB by BC is 1:1, which essentially implies B is the midpoint of A and C. So if I refer to this as XC, YC, I know XC minus 1 by 2 is 4. That will give me XC is 9, and YC plus 7 by 2 is -3. That will give me YC is equal to -6 minus 7, which is -13. Now we know -13 plus 7 is -6, and -6 by 2 is -3. And that's why this is the correct answer. So the answer is 9, -13. Let's check once again. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. -13 plus 7 is -6. And -6 by 2 is -3. That's question number 23rd for you. We could have also used external section formula to solve this, but I don't like using external section formula because of the signs, and hence I usually prefer using an internal section form. 24th one, let's look at the A bit first. The A bit is sin A plus cosecant A the whole square plus cos A plus secant A the whole square is x plus tan square plus cot square. This is a direct question from the textbook. X is equal to 7. Let's see how we get it. The first bracket, sin A plus cosecant A, using A plus B the whole square, I can write it as sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 into sin A cosecant A, which is 1, because sin and cosecant are reciprocal of each other. And the next term, I can write it as cos square A plus secant square A plus 2, again because cos and secant are reciprocal of each other. Now if I add both of these, I can write this as sin square plus cos square, which is 1. 2 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. And cosecant A square A, I can write it as 1 plus cot square A. And secant square A, I can write it as 1 plus tan square A. So 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1, which is 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A, and hence x is 7. The B bit is again a very simple question in which you have to substitute the values, but we also have to observe that since the denominator is a 50 degree and we don't know, however, it is 2 sine square 50 plus 2 cos square 50. If I take 2 common, it becomes a sine square plus cos square theta, which is 1. So the answer to B can be written as 3 into 1 by 2 minus 4 into 1 by 2 the whole cube by 2, which is 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, because 4 into 1 by 8 is 1 by 2 by 2, which is 1 by 2. So the final answer is 1 by 2. Let's look at the 25th question, which is a probability question. Two friends, Anil and Ashraf, were born in December month in the year 2010. Now the month of December, whether 2010 or 2025 or any year, has 31 days. They share the same birthday. So for Anil, there are 31 choices that Anil has, and Ashraf has only one choice, because Ashraf's choice will depend on what Anil's choice is. So the number of ways in which Anil and Ashraf share the same birthday is 31. It can be first or second or third or so on up to 31. The number of birthdays that are possible for Anil and Ashraf independently is 31 into 31, because each of them independently has 31 days. So the probability that both of them share the same birthday is 31 into 1 by 31 into 31, which is going to be 1 by 31. They have different birthdays. Now, they will either have the same birthday or they will have different birthdays. There is no other case possible. And since the sum of total probability is 1, the answer to the second bit is 1 minus 1 by 31, which is 30 by 31. And that is section B for you. Come back to us for section C and the subsequent sections.